Now, suppose we are going to take an equation in which we have some constant attached. As here you can see, in case of x, we did not had any constant attached. But in case of here, if some constant is attached, what will be our approach? So I'll change the constants here. Suppose I have kept the constant as 9. The constant became 9. 9x squared minus x4 minus 13x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Now in this place, what we have to do? Here also the same step we will do. X squared is equal to y, we will write. So in that case, what we can write? X, here constant, y minus 13y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, based on this, we can now solve our quadratic equation. 9y minus 9y minus 9 and 4 can make this 13. 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. As a result, here we will take 9 common. As we are taking here 9 common, we can find here, this one becomes 9 square. So 9, here we are taking common 9y. So it remained y minus 1. Here also we are taking common 4. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can substitute the value here, y minus 1 into 9y minus 4 is equal to 0, and we can get the value of y in this quadratic equation. Further, you know how to solve the quadratic equation. So we have understood how with the constant also we can place the value, substitute the value when we are making x squared is equal to y. Now we'll be solving one more question in which x is raised to the value of 6. So let's see what approach we are taking. The approach taken in all the cases remains the same. At the end only, when we are taking the square root, then only we are going to change and we are taking under cube. So how we are going to do this? Let's see. X to the power 6 minus 9x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. When it comes to this equation, now we have to assume y is equal to x cube. Why we are assuming y is equal to x cube? Because we want to make the quadratic equation in the x square form. Definitely the quadratic equation will be in the form of x square. So as it is x cube, now when we will raise it to the power square of 2, it will definitely become x to the power 6. So how we are going to solve this equation? I am going to show you the stepwise. Now x to the power 3 whole square. We can write about this. Now 9x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we are going to substitute the values to y. So we can write y square minus 9y square, 9y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, as you know, we have to find the factor of plus 8 and minus 9. When we are finding the factor of plus 8 minus 9, we can understand, we can write it like y squared minus y minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0. I hope you understand here. Minus and minus plus, it will make 8 here, and minus y and minus 8 is making 9y here, that we have discussed in our previous example. Now, as we have substituted the value, definitely we are going to write it the same way. Y, we will take common, y minus 1. Here we can take 8 common, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now y minus 1, y minus 8 is equal to 0. So one place it is x is equal, y is equal to 1, one place is y is equal to 8. Now, when we are substituting the value, we can understand here it is x cube is equal to 8. So, if we take the cube from both the side, it will become 2 into 2 into 2. So, x is equal to 2, and the place where x cube is equal to 1, the value remains same, and it is x is equal to 1. When we substitute the value of x here, we will be able to prove it like this is going to be the right quadratic equation. So, please don't get scared of how many numbers the x is raised to the power. Just try to find out if it is raised to the power of 2, if we have to make. So, what another variable we can assign to this variable, whether we have to assign y is equal to x cube or y is equal to x square, depending upon the exponential value. Even if it is 8, then also we can think x to the power 4 is equal to y. We can do that. So, solving the quadratic equation this way, you will not have any difficulty. The same method will follow for even if the x is raised to the power of 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, whatever. Then after finally once you are done and you have found the value of y which we have substituted, then try to find the value of x and you will get the result. So hope you understand. Try to solve all the equations which are there in your textbook, and if you get any problem which is exceptional to this rule we are not able to find, please feel free to write in the comment section so that I can show you that particular example in my class video. Thank you so much. With this video, I feel I was able to complete the quadratic equation. Next topic which I'll be taking is very soon, like next week. I'll be uploading another video related to the topic. Most probably it will angle theorem. So it will consist of all the angle theorems so that you will not have any difficulties to solve the trigonometric equation in any case. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like the video, and if you like, please subscribe to it. Thank you so much.